is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. Today we are doing something a little bit different and I'm really excited for it. Today we are going to be starting filming a weekend in my life of doing all my favorite things. And so I'm just gonna be taking you guys through this weekend and I am just gonna try and do all my favorite things possible. I mean, we're not going to Disney, but you know, we're gonna try and do the most while in quarantine. You know that the first step today already had to be getting myself a McDonald's Coke. It just makes me my absolute best self and we had to do it. I also went ahead and got ready this morning because I just always feel so much better when I don't look like I just woke up and rolled out of bed. So we got ready, got the makeup done. I'm wearing my favorite color, green pants. We're having a day, Evan and I just ran out and we got some breakfast. I'm not the type of person that can ever decide what I want to eat. So I don't have a favorite place to get breakfast food. So we went to Burger's Bagels. I'm guessing that this is my hash brown that I'm gonna be trying.
It's like a hash brown with like cheese and cream cheese, so you're gonna get a stomachache. But it's probably gonna taste like unreal.
We're gonna try it out because I obviously can't have gluten, so this is basically the only thing I could have. And we're gonna give it a shot. But I should have gotten more grits. That would have made today right. We're gonna give it a little try.
It's twice baked, so maybe it'll be like soft.
It is soft. It's not bad, but it's not like blow your mind good. It's just like interesting. Like I've never had anything like it. Bon appetit. We're gonna finish eating our breakfast and then I'll take you guys with me to the rest of my day. Okay, you guys, so I just got back home and I stopped at my mailbox and we have a perfect addition to today's video. I got a little package from Ana Luisa. You guys know jewelry is like my absolute favorite thing ever. Basically, today's day is just to put me in the best mood, to make me the happiest, and just to notice all the little things in life that bring me joy on an everyday basis. So, Ana Luisa is one of those things for sure. Let me show you guys what I got. Okay. So I have my little package from Ana Luisa. If you guys have not watched my hauls with them before, I'm literally in love. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that like eco-friendly packaging and just like sustainable products are something that's really, really important to me. Obviously, everyone has some proving to do and I'm not perfect in any way, shape, or form. I used to be much better than I am, but I absolutely adore that Ana Luisa is 100% carbon neutral jewelry and they used all recycled packaging. So they have smaller packaging, they use recycled paper in their little cards and everything. I just adore them and how like conscious they are about everything that they're putting out. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my little packages and I'm gonna try on this stuff for you guys. I'm just so excited. The first little set that I got are these beautiful little earrings. They're so cute. They have little diamonds on them and they're little hoops. I'm gonna try them all and I'll show you guys them all. But I also picked up these cute little gold hoops. I love these. I think these are so in right now. They're so trendy and I'm obsessed. They'd just be perfect to leave in for like everyday wear paired with these little ones. Oh my God. Oh my God. And then I absolutely needed this necklace when I saw it. I think it's just so dainty and so pretty. And I also have a matching bracelet, so I figured that would match like perfectly and just be a nice little set. I'm gonna go ahead and try all these on and I will show you guys close up. Okay, I put everything on. They're literally so cute. You cannot even tell me that you're not obsessed with these. Come on. Look how darn cute they are. I'm obsessed. They're so simple, but they're so like pretty. And again, they're kind of trendy because the shape of the hoop. But then I love the little diamond, you guys. Let's get the Evan approval. Evan loves Ana Luisa. Every time he's like, you working with Ana Luisa again? All the time, I'm like, guess who I'm working with again?
I've actually heard of the brand.
yeah, he loves them. Every time I get a package, I'm like, guess who it's from? He's like, Ana Luisa? We love Ana Luisa. Okay, how do we feel about this little earring combo?
Ooh.
Aren't they cute?
Yeah, I like that one.
Right, both of them.
Yeah, I like it.
And then this little necklace, this cute
nice.
little necklace. You guys, hello?
Pretty, pretty.
It's literally so, I'm obsessed.
So good.
Thanks. Okay, we love. As you can see, these look so cute paired together. I love a whole like little ear candy moment pairing the jewelry together. You could literally switch these out and pair them with any other earring. They're so versatile, but so trendy and so pretty. I'm obsessed. And the same thing with this little necklace. You could layer it with anything. So like here, I have my little Live Lovely necklace on, but if you wanted to put another chain, I have this one that's also from Ana Luisa, and I love pairing different types of chains. I feel like it adds a really like sophisticated look. You know, if you wear a super basic outfit, this kind of like spices it up a little. You have a bunch of different textures and chains. I just think it's so, so cute. What I love about Ana Luisa is that if you guys are in the market for jewelry, you know it can be really kind of pricey to get your hands on pieces that are great quality, gonna last a long time. But Ana Luisa has long-lasting pieces that are crafted with care, and they have super, super affordable prices. Their pieces range from $39 and up, so there's something for every price range out there, something for everyone, and they last an incredible time. They are such great quality. You guys know I never take my jewelry off. I am a little bit more careful, you know, if I'm washing my hands a bunch, I will take off my rings and stuff to make sure that they last a little bit longer and stuff, but they're great quality. I'm obsessed with them. They're not gonna tarnish, they're not gonna turn your hands green, they're not gonna like change colors on you. I can't say enough good things. They are my go-to for affordable but great quality, classy, trendy looking jewelry. I'm literally obsessed with them. I also have a code if you guys want to check them out. You can use my code AmandaL10 for 10% off your order. You guys deserve to treat yourself this year. I feel like it's had a rough start for all of us. So bring some happiness and extra joy into your day. Go check out Ana Luisa. Use my code AmandaL10 for 10% off your order and buy yourself some pretty jewelry, girl. You deserve it. Do it up. All right, you guys. Evan and I are now sitting on the couch playing Uno, one of our favorite things ever. And we're also watching Yukon. All the fave things. All right, guys, I am out now. I just filmed my Mandy's Monthly Music Monday, which is one of my favorite videos to film because I just get to jam out and share with you guys some music. It's just like super fun and like relaxed. So that was a lot of fun. I just got out now and I'm actually meeting my mom to shop, which is, you guys know, one of my absolute favorite things of all time. I love to shop with my mom. So I'm gonna go in right now. She's in Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm gonna go ahead and meet her in there. It's day 2, or the next day, of doing all my favorite things. Right now, I am currently on my way to get my hair done. This is just one of my all-time favorite things. I feel like this is like every girl's favorite thing. You just feel so pampered and like refreshed, and it's been a while, so I'm gonna go. I also absolutely love my hairdresser to pieces, so that also just makes the experience that much more enjoyable. I've literally been going to her for my entire life. She's the best. So I'm really excited to go. I will show you guys a little after, okay? When I come back out. Okay, I'm literally the worst. And didn't show you my hair, so you can't really see it that well in this lighting. But she's a little bit blonder, so we lightened her up. I will show you guys pictures in better lighting. Of course, had to get the McDonald's Coke. Cheers. Wouldn't be the greatest day ever without one. I've been out shopping with my mom for a little bit. I'm so sorry I haven't shown you this. I'm like the worst. Now I'm going to do another one of my favorite things. Go home and hang out with my family for a little bit. See the little animals, give them some pets and snuggles. And yeah, that's the plan for the rest of my night, I just picked up some Noodles and Company, which is also one of my go-tos. I just love carbs, and carbs for the most part hate me, but they have gluten-free noodles, so I'm able to like customize anything from Noodles and Company with some gluten-free noodles. We love. I'm still stunting in my Ana Luisa. Stop it. She's literally, are you kidding me? They're literally so cute. I can't. Oh my god, stop. This is so cute. Oh my god, how cute. This guy just went and opened the door for his girlfriend. Like, he literally went to his door, unlocked it, and then walked around to let her in. That's so sweet. Chivalry is not dead, ladies and gents. See, you just have to look for little things like that to point out, like, make it a good day. You know, like, look for the tiny little things. Like, oh my god, that's so cute. That made me smile, okay? If it's, the sun is out, the sun's out. If you like rain, oh my god, look, it's raining today. You know, just look for the little things. You don't have to do anything crazy. Like, you don't have to go out and get your hair done for it to be the best day ever. You could get a $1 large McDonald's Coke, and that could just make everything so much better. You know what I mean? This video doesn't necessarily mean that you have to go out and have an expensive day for it to be the best day, to have a happy day, to do all your favorite things. But, you know, you treat yourself once, you get yourself some cute little earrings, you look in the mirror every day, you're like, oh my god, I look cute as heck because I have these earrings on. Or like, I like this outfit today. Or today I'm gonna paint my nails my favorite color. I also, oh my god, I didn't show you this. I put on my false digits nails and I'm feeling myself, okay? Hello? I feel like you can't tell how cute they are. Can you tell? There's like a car shining on me. They're so cute. You know, you just you gotta look for the little things that just make you happy. And then more things will start making you happy. If you have your positive mindset on, okay, you get the positive mindset going, more positive things are gonna start sticking out. If you have a negative mindset, all the negative things are gonna start sticking out because your reticular formation, a little psych note for you, he's gonna start finding information to support your theory that everything's going bad or that everything's going great. So, note to self, think positive, and positive things will happen around you because your brain is literally gonna be looking for them. So, love that. I am now home and I am going to go ahead and do my skincare routine. I feel like this just makes me feel good every single day. My skincare routine in the morning and at night. I have been doing your skincare and I have a whole video coming out on that for you guys with my whole experience with it. But I always fall off the wagon with skincare, and so my skin starts freaking out a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my full skincare routine and it'll just make me feel so much better and it just makes me happy. I'm also gonna go ahead and put some face tanner on because, oh my gosh, the difference is just terrifying. So. Another thing that I just love and it just makes me happy every single day is my ice eye masks. And I'm gonna use one before I go to bed. There's only one that I can really use when I put face tanner on, so I will show you guys. But it just like calms me down. It's just like a huge form of self-care for me. I'm obsessed with them. You guys need them. So I am going to brush my teeth using my absolute favorite toothpaste. a little empty. The Crest 3D White Radiant Mint toothpaste. I swear by it. It makes your teeth so white and it keeps them white. So I'm gonna go ahead, brush my teeth, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the ice masks and go ahead and hop in bed. Teeth are whitened. Contacts are out, and we're gonna go ahead and grab my favorite thing ever, my little ice mask. So I have literally a stash of these in my freezer. The top shelf is dedicated to my ice masks. My favorite kinds are these that have the little beads in it, but this one is great for sleeping. It's kind of like a bean bag eye mask. It gets really cold and just blacks everything out. I'm obsessed with it. And this one doesn't get wet like the other ones do, so I can use this when I'm fake tanning. Okay, let's go to bed. We're now in bed, ice mask on. Another one of my favorite things that I do nightly, it just like gets me all cozy and ready for bed. I have this heating pad and it has like a massager thing built into it, but I really just like to like snuggle with it or like put it underneath me. My back is constantly in pain. It helps me a lot with that, and the heat just makes me really sleepy, so really just finishes off my day well. Evan and I have been watching like this crime channel before bed, which is not good for our nightmares, but we enjoy it. We just sit in bed and relax, take our melatonin, puts us right to sleep in this snuggle time, which is one of my favorite things in the entire world. So that is going to be it for this weekend in my life, doing all of my favorite things. Like I said a little bit earlier, you don't have to spend a ton of money for it to be the best weekend ever. You don't have to even leave your house. You just have to look for all the little things that brighten your day and bring a smile to your face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. You guys have to go check out their jewelry. It's so cute. I will put my code on the screen here so you guys can save some money, and I will put all the links in the description box down below. I love you guys endlessly. Thank you again so much for watching, and until the next video, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.